Hello students, let's solve this Math Olympiad problem where we have 5 raised to power x plus 5 raised to power x equals 50. So here our first step will be to take 5 raised to power x common. So that's going to be 1 plus 1 equals 50, or we can write it as 5 raised to power x times 2 equals 50, or we can simplify it as leaving 5 raised to power x on the left hand side. 50 divided by 2. Next is 5 raised to power x equals 50 divided by 2 is 25. So this gives us 5 raised to power x equals 25 can be written as 5 times 5, or this equals 5 raised to power x equals 5 times 5 is 5 square. So from here we can get the value of x as 2. So here we have used the law of exponent, which says if a raised to power m equals a raised to power n, then m equals n. Here we see that the bases are same, then the exponents will also be same. So here we have the bases as 5 and 5, so x will be equal to 2. So this is how we solve these kind of problems. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.